Hey everyone, so in this video I will be texturing this low poly rabbit model just the same way I did for this cow. So I have textured this cow with this image texture over here. As you can see, it is provided by Imphenzia, and this one is actually the old version which I have saved, and I really like to use this one. He do have a huge better big version, but I really like this old one, so I will be using this one. So let's get started. So this window over here, as you can see where my mouse is, I just turned off every overlay over here. So this is kind of my preview window. I am rendering right now in the EV. You can do this in material preview as well, but I prefer to have it in EV. Both of them are using the same material, so this is like a huge optimization when you go when this will be exported for as a game asset. So yeah, I can shrink this window down. This window is for UV editing. This window is just for a preview. So the first thing you want to do is go to the edit mode. By the way, I have mirror turned on, like this modifier. I haven't applied it yet. This will just make my work a little bit easy on texturing. So select everything, press S, and then press 0 to scale everything to the point like this. Now in general the whole body it is white. You can make it brown like the rabbits are brown colored, but I think I'll make a white rabbit, though I won't go fully white. I think I will make it a little bit grayish, not go full white. Like it's just a stylized choice, though you can go full white over here, a little bit of a gray like this. And then let's go for the nose. Let's do eyes first. So eyes, I think I'll make them red, or let's see what looks good on him. So control plus. Also I like to have gizmos so that I know where my mouse is. So yeah, and now let's as you can see that dot, all you need to do is select it and grab it, and we will make it black. Let's see how that looks. Now let's grab it again and let's put it on a red. Yeah, it does look like a bunny, but it kind of looks like evil a little bit. So let's go dark red. So like it is red, but it is also not that bright. Let me go down a little bit. This kind of looks nice. You know what? Let's just go ahead and make his eyes black, cause I think that would kind of looks that will I think look a bit friendly. I guess I'll keep it at black. No wait, I think a dark red would be nice. Okay. So okay. So eyes are red. Nose, I think I will make its nose a little bit pinkish, just like the utters. Can you see that? Yeah. So let's make its nose. Now this looks really stylized if I go this pink, but if I go peach, let's make its nose peachy. That kind of looks good. Okay. This looks good. Now let's go ahead and select its ears. Do ears look good like that? Wait, let me check some reference images. I have another monitor, and on that second monitor I'm checking for some reference images. So usually it is the color of its fur, but just a little bit darker, so or lighter. So you know what, let's go ahead and make, just to give it a little bit of character, we can make this go either little bit light than usual, or a little bit grayish. So I think I'll go with a little bit darker, just so that it gets a little bit defined, like the ears get a little bit defined over there. Though you know what, let's go ahead and do our totally opposite of it. So let me select the whole body and let's go down a little bit on the gray side, and then we can make the ears lighter. Now this is totally experimental. You can experiment the way it looks. Now this looks really bad. You know what, let's go the opposite way. Let's make this a little bit pinkish, like the peach that we had, but a little bit lighter than that. Let me check. Okay, this actually, you know what, this actually looks good. Um, let me make it a little bit. Let's go over here. Now this is way too similar to that. I don't want it. I think this one, yeah, this looks really good. I don't have a mouth yet, but I think I will do its feet. So I think let's make its feet pink as well. Uh, I'm checking some reference images right now and I'm not seeing the feet, which is really weird to say out loud like that without context, but there are not a lot of rabbit feet over there. Okay, so they do have some padding on their feet. So you know what? I can create the padding. Conveniently, I have this three faces over here, so I can press I to insert and I again, and this will create the padding. And then let's go ahead and create the padding. Okay, let me go to the material preview. Okay, this is not working either. I need some light below, but it's okay, never mind. So let's just select everything, bring it down over here. You know what we can do is we can turn on texture, like that. Let's disable the overlay for a bit. Okay, now let's try and get a little bit nice padding on the foot. This will look good. Yeah, this looks good. A light pink over there. So now I will make my cursor to selection, and then let's turn on the overlay again. In the edit mode, I think I will also create padding just over here. Or I again, like this. And now let's select this. I to insert. Okay, now just select the faces right over there. Select the mesh and then do Shift S and then selection to cursor, keep offset, and there you go. We got our feet textured. Nice. Now what do we want? Its tail. We can define the tail as well. Let's do that. So Control plus plus, and now I can go ahead grab that. Now the tail, it is white, I know. Um, we can try making it a little bit darker, just a notch darker, so that it tails get defined, or you can go ahead and make it like kind of white. Yeah, let's go a little bit white from the normal shade so that its tail is kind of visible. Or you know what, let's undo everything, let's keep it the way it is, and there you go, you have textured your bunny. You can add more details, such as adding like fingers and all. um, though you know, I would actually just texture on top of it, but as this is a low poly character, I think it is pretty much safe to keep it like this. If I want, I was trying to add a little bit of mouth on this thing, as you can see over here. So let's just do one thing. Select that, take this, and let's try making it black. This looks good. It's technically correct, but it kind of gives it a little bit of sad vibes. Let me try making it a little bit pink, just like its snoot. Let's go a bit dark on that, like it is a mouth. You know what? That kind of looks good, and I think I'll keep it that way. Though I could extrude it. Let's Alt E, extrude along normals, extrude it inside. Let's do Control plus. Nope, it already has selected, I guess. Wait, did I not extrude it? Let's do that again. Yeah, let's keep it that way. Control plus, and then we will select this part. Let's move it over there. Wait, did I move something else? No. Why is this like this? Why didn't it got covered? Okay, it is over there. Let's bring that over there. Okay, now this looks good. I think I'll keep it like that. So yeah, the rabbit is textured. Kind of look like a mouse from this angle, but it is not. Let's go to the layout, and there you go, the cow and a rabbit. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.